at the end of it. If your height is shorter, you can just fold it down. Like we fold the blanket, because if you have air inside, your foot will never get warm. Okay. So just for your feet to get properly warmed up, you have to fold it. Okay. And then once you have this around, you can also do one thing, that you can put, there's a small thing here, so you can put your padded jacket inside it and it will act as a pillow. Okay. For the sleeping bag, one thing that it always warms up using your own body heat. It will warm the sleeping bag using your own body heat. So if you're wearing any wind protective layer, wind shitter, padded jacket, or a similar material which blocks wind, it will not help to get this warm. Okay, so you can't wear it. You have to remove it anyway. So you can wear your thermals, you can wear fleece, sweaters, t-shirts. Okay, so those things, and then that you can easily put in this. There's a velcro here. You can put it inside this, and this will act as a pillow. And this is also your small little cap. Okay, so you can use this as well. And then you just lie down and close this fully. Okay. So there's a little there. This zip is also inside as well. So the same handle is inside as well. So you can put this in, and there's a velcro so that this zip does not slide at night. Okay. So once you are here, ठीक है, good night.
Good night.
You can just sleep. Okay.
Night.
And also, if somebody is not used to sleeping like this flat, you can also turn around in this, but turn your sleeping bag alongside you, because otherwise, if somebody is sleeping, after some time it will be like this.
नहीं बढ़िया
Try not to do that. And at night, it's better not to drink anything after 6 p.m. But if you still you need to pee, then open it half. Open this like this and just slide a little. Okay? Because if you totally open it again, then you'll have to. Okay? So it's easy, just leave it like this and then enter back. Done? Okay?